Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best eye massager for heat, vibration, and compression on the market, the ALLJOY eye massager. If you've been dealing with eye strain, dark circles, migraines, or sleepless nights, stay tuned because this compact gadget might just be your new best friend. The ALLJOY eye massager combines modern design with therapeutic features, delivering a spa-like experience directly to your eyes. From the moment you put it on, you're greeted with soft, comfortable materials and a contoured fit that wraps gently around your eyes. But the real magic begins when you turn it on. Let's start with the heating function. The ALLJOY eye massager features built-in heating pads that maintain a soothing temperature between 104 and 113 degrees Fahrenheit, or roughly 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. That warmth isn't just comforting, it's actually therapeutic. It boosts blood circulation around the eyes, reduces dryness, and helps relieve fatigue, dark circles, and puffiness. This is especially beneficial after long hours staring at a screen or lack of sleep. But it doesn't stop there. ALLJOY has taken things up a notch with compression technology. It uses trigger point massage and rhythmic percussion, essentially mimicking the feeling of real human hands gently kneading and pressing around your eyes. This kind of massage not only relaxes the eye muscles but also helps alleviate headaches and tension. You'll find 6 airbags inside the device working in harmony to target acupressure points, giving you an incredibly precise, focused massage. You can link your phone and play your favorite relaxing music, meditation sounds, or even a podcast while the device works its magic. Whether you're winding down before bed or resetting after a stressful day, the combination of music and massage can transform your entire mood and help improve your sleep quality. Now, if you've experienced migraines or sinus pressure, you know how tough it can be to find something that actually works. The ALLJOY eye massager's acupoint targeting and gentle vibrations go a long way in offering relief. It's a 15-minute session that can restore your focus and energy, like a mini retreat for your mind and body. In terms of design, it's lightweight at just 0.7 kilograms and uses polyethylene, making it both durable and comfortable. It's battery-powered, so no wires will get in your way, and it folds up for easy travel. Whether you're gifting it to a loved one or keeping it for yourself, it's a thoughtful product designed with relaxation in mind. One thing to note: this device is not suitable for individuals who've had eye surgeries or suffer from conditions like glaucoma, cataracts, or retinal issues. So if you fall into that category, it's best to consult a doctor before using it. But for everyone else, the ALLJOY eye massager is an ideal self-care gadget, especially as a gift. Think Mother's Day, Father's Day, birthdays, or holiday presents. It's the kind of gift that says, you deserve to relax. So, is it worth it? Absolutely. Between the customizable features, heated comfort, and overall performance, the ALLJOY eye massager delivers impressive value. If you're looking to invest in your health, your sleep, or simply a better way to unwind, this is a top-tier option that stands out from the rest. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, give us a like, hit subscribe, and let us know in the comments what product you'd like us to test next. Until next time, relax, recharge, and take care of your eyes.